Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. In this video, we are going to get the information about the important map location places. So as for the blueprint for the SSLC students, you are going to be locate the 5 marks for the map places. In that, to draw the map of India, you will get 1 marks, and location of places you will get 4 marks. So here is some of the important maps for exam purpose. So among that, the major seaports of India like Kandla. So here it is the important major seaports. Among that, Kandla, Mumbai, Navaseva, Marmagova, Mangaluru, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore, Vishakhapatnam, Paradeep, Haldia, Kolkata and Port Blair. So these are the important ports. Among that, it can be asked any one of the place. So give importance for these major ports of India. So let's move on to physical features of India. So the important physical features, among that, Aravali Range, Konkan Coast, Malabar Coast, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Neelagiris, Vindhyas Range, Coromandel Coast, Sarkar Coast. So these are the important physical features of India. Many times these places related to physical features of India they have asked in the exam. So give the importance for even for these places also. So let's move on to some of the international airports. Like the international airports: Amritsar, Delhi, Ahmednagar, Mumbai, Marmagova, Mangaluru, Kochi, Tiruvananthapuram, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Varanasi, Guwahati, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Port Blair. So these are the important international airports. Even among these, many a times these international airports are also asked for the exam. So give the importance for these international airports. So let's move on to multi-purpose river valley projects. So which are the multi-purpose river valley projects has been mentioned or asked in the exam: Bakranangal, Kosi, Rihand, Narmada, Damodar, Hirakud, Upper Krishna, Nagarjuna Sagar, Tungabhadra. So these are the important multi-purpose river valley projects. So I hope you have understood the concept about the important map locating places. Here you have to draw the neat diagram of the map of India and locate the places given. Okay. So that's it about today's session, and I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.